friends, I'm Meghna Thomas and welcome back to our channel Golden Epaulettes Aviation Pilot Training Academy, your route to the cockpit. In my video today, I am going to be telling you how should you approach your group exercise. Yes, a group exercise or a group discussion or a GDPI that you know is generally conducted during your selection procedure for the airline interviews or your cadet pilot program selection. A GDPI is a very important part of your selection procedure, and after you clear this, then it is sort of understood that yes, you are going to be selected for the airline. But yes, you have other rounds to go through as well, but it is important, a very important part of your selection procedure. So in my video today, I am going to be giving you some tips to approach your group exercise. So using these tips might get you one step closer to achieving your dream. Now the very basic thing is when you speak to the members of your team, make sure you address them by their names. This is not only polite, but it also gets the attention of other people that you are someone who looks into every detail. Make it a point to interact with all your team members, because if you don't interact, you cannot be assessed. Your assessors can only assess you on what they see. So if you don't engage and won't speak your mind, then you might not pass. Be conscious of what you're talking and how much your input is. Make sure you're making valued contributions rather than just opening your mouth and blabbering. So making valuable, useful and helpful contributions is one of the most important factors of a group exercise. This means you're ensuring quality over substance. So there is no point doing a lot of talking if the points you're making are irrelevant. Well, it is very important to get involved in your group exercise, but be sure that you're not overbearing and you are not, taking away the chance from others and not letting others speak. It is at times possible that you become a little too dominant, and this is not a good attitude to carry with you to the flight deck. So the main idea here is you listen to what others have to say without interrupting. The next tip could be that you could be the person as the timekeeper or the note keeper or the summarizer as well. Perhaps you can even volunteer for more than one of these tasks if needed. But be sure that you're not opting for a lot of roles wherein the others get left out. So what you have to do here is you have to be inclusive and not authoritative. You have to be giving every member of your team a chance. You may also try to involve the others into the group exercise. If you think that someone hasn't spoken, try to get them to speak more and get them involved in that exercise. So if you feel that someone is sitting quiet in the corner, how about just saying, hey, what do you think? Is that a good idea? The next tip is don't dismiss anybody's idea, no matter how silly that is. You should listen to what others have to say and you have to support their participation. If you disagree with somebody's idea or suggestion, you have to highlight as to why are you not comfortable with it. But you could also help that person by giving him something positive about the idea. The next tip is ask open-ended questions. What have we missed? What does everybody think? Advocate your passion with clear and concise reasoning. Like I already said, you can offer to monitor the time limit. You may place your watch at the center of the table and notify everybody as and when the time passes by. For example, if you're given 20 minutes for a task, once 10 minutes is done, you can inform everybody about the remaining time. This will help you be more active and also helping others in their participation. Very important thing is you have to be polite and courteous at all times. Even if you think that someone is being overbearing and annoying, just keep your calm and stay respectful. You can also offer to conclude or summarize what your group has decided towards the end. You could also say, okay, we just have 1 minute left. Let's just quickly go through our conclusion to see if everybody is happy with what we have come to. So these, my friends, are some ways in which you can crack your group discussion. As you're already aware that at Golden Epaulettes Aviation, we conduct the training for all these parts of your airline selection procedure. So if you need to build more confidence, you're always welcome to Golden Epaulettes. We will be more than happy to help you all. I hope that you find our videos interesting and useful. So stay tuned to Golden Epaulettes for more such interesting videos and updates. Come, let's fly!